Hey dolls, it's your girl Jazzy J. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl. So as you can see by the title, I copped a few pieces from the new Jodie collection that dropped with Fashion Nova. And baby, when I tell you, it is giving all the vibes. It is so sexy. It's called the Snatch collection. Whoo! When I tell you that material snatches, honey, ooh, I cannot wait to show y'all. I'm so excited. I only grabbed a few pieces, and one of the pieces that I did pick is on back order, so I didn't even get it. So I'm not going to be able to show you in this video, which hella disappoint me. But as you can see right here, you can see my receipt from Fashion Nova, and you can see the item that they did not send me. I am so disappointed in that. But if you haven't seen the Jodie collection, let me go to my phone. I'm a screenshot so you can see it as well, because it's definitely giving a vibe. So as you can see, the pieces are everything, honey. Nothing is really a set. They're all separate, so you can buy all the pieces separately. I went out with a all black collection because your girl like black, so I chose all my pieces in black. But as you can see, the pieces are giving. These are so sexy, and I cannot wait to show you guys the pieces that I chose. So as I'm gonna let it finish scroll through so you guys can see all the different pieces from the collection. It looks like there's like 51 pieces all together. Alright, so with that said, let's jump right into today's haul. It will be a short one, but if you're new to the channel, I'm going to put a video right here so you can see me trying on each one of the pieces while I talk about them. So with that said, let's jump right into the haul, baby. Oh, and before I get into the haul, don't get crazy. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you are new here, baby. I am on the road to 2K subs this year. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up and that notification bell so you can keep it whenever I upload a video, okay? So now with that said, let's jump into today's haul. Alright, so the first item I'm going to show you guys is a top. Like I said, everything came separate. It's the ADRIANA Snatch crop top. I got it in a 1X. So this is it. So it just has like the little opening right here. So I'll show the video. Yo, this material is so, it's like wearing a, what you call them? Like a shapewear. It is so strong. I honestly should have got an extra large, and I'm probably going to go back and order extra large. Hopefully they haven't sold out, because like I said, the pieces was selling out like hotcake. I love this top, but because I am so heavy on the top, I want my girls snatched. So I feel like the 1X gave me too much to play with in this area. I want my girls to be held down, snatched. But this is still a great size. It still look good. So I just want to try the extra large and see which one to give me that snatch for these girls, because baby, they're heavy. So yeah, this is the crop top, and I decided to pair this one with the leggings. So let me grab the leggings and I'll show you them together here on the video. Alright, so the leggings are called the Janet Snatch leggings, and y'all, first get into this waistband. Look how thick that waistband is. I got these in a 1X, and ew, these are so strong. I actually want to try these two in an extra large, because as you can see on the video, y'all, I'm 5'2" with no torso, so everything hangs down in the crotch. So I have to literally pull this all the way up to my bust line to stop the, you know, from it hanging in the crotch. So I think I'm going to reorder these two in an extra large just to see which one fits the best. But y'all, these fit so good. Like, oh, fit so good. It was on my body like a glove. And the waistband right here, it makes you feel like shapewear. It literally does exactly what it says. It snatch you in. So I think if I go down one more size, it's really going to give my midsection, because y'all know, if you're not new here, I do have a fupa from 3 cesareans. So it is what it is. I cannot get rid of that fupa. I've been trying forever. So I love the fact that this gives me like a waistline. So I'm gonna try to size down on these because I just want to see personally if it'll fit just a little bit better and give me more of a non-long crotch, if you know what I mean. If you're short, you know what I mean. But yeah, I love these, and they do go all the way down to my ankle, and the material is just everything. It is I can't, y'all. The material is so strong, it just snaps back. So it's definitely snatchy. So I love it. I love them paired together. Like I said, none of the pieces are together. It's not a set. But instead of the skirt that is paired with, I decided to get the leggings to go with that top. Alright, so moving right along to the next top. Alright, so the next top is called the Tailor Snatch Crop Top. So it's one shoulder with, it's like one shoulder, but it kind of goes up on the side right here. Matter of fact, I'll show you the picture of it on the website so you can see what it looks like. But I got this one in an extra large, and I'm so happy I did because it held the girls the way it was supposed to hold them. And that's why I think on that other top, I could actually do an extra large as well. So it's super cute. I don't think my little thing right here was on my side. I don't know if it comes further to the front or not, but I'll have to just look at the picture myself. But yeah, it's really, really cute. Asymmetrical one-sided top. Like I said, again, in that snatch material. I love it. I have no complaints at all. Everything that I'm going to show you guys, y'all, is given. All of the pieces are 10s. So I decided to pair this top with a maxi skirt. So let me grab that skirt. Alright, so the skirt that I'm going to show you guys is called the ABBEY Snatch Maxi Skirt. So this is the skirt, and I got it in an extra large. So this skirt kind of has a asymmetrical, as y'all can see that, it has asymmetrical. It's ruched right here in the front with a high split, and again it's that same material. So I paired it with the top that I just showed you, which I'll show you right here, because I felt like they would be cute together because the top was given asymmetrical and the skirt was given asymmetrical. So I thought that they would look really good together, and they do. And they do. What about it? They definitely do. So it goes all the way down past my ankle. It hits the floor. So pairing this with a pair of heels, it won't be no problem. Sandals, no problem. This is so snatchy, y'all. I'm glad I went with the extra large on this one because it feels so good on the body, like a glove, honey. I mean, this, whatever this material is everything. Now I actually want to go back and try more of the pieces from the collection because speechless. I am speechless, y'all. This collection is everything, and I hope I can get that piece that it didn't send me. Plus, I'm going to downsize on some of the other pieces because I just know the extra large will probably fit a little better. So, and y'all know how I do. I always save the best piece for last, y'all. This last piece is giving beyond a 10. She's a 20. She's definitely a 20. And I mean, when I had to put this on, y'all, I had to dance to get into it. It gives curves. It gives a waistline. And it definitely snatched. And if you got big boobs like me, no problems. You don't need no bra, no tape, none of that. The dress is so snatchy, it held my girls in place. So with that said, let me grab it so I can show you what I mean. Alright, y'all, so the dress is called the MANDY Snatch Dress, and I got it in an extra large, and I'm glad I did. So it's just your regular plain slip dress. It literally gives me like Skims vibe, but y'all, Skims ain't Skims who? I know everybody love their Skims, but they just too pricey, honey. But this dress definitely gives Skims a run for their money. As y'all can see on the video, it literally did this to my waistline. I mean, look at this. I had to jig to get in it, but it was well worth it. And yo, I mean, it's so strong. I was trying to walk, and you can make little baby steps. That's it, because the material, y'all see me on the video testing it out, but you can't really make a lot of steps. You got to keep it cute, sis. Keep it real cute. You got to make little baby steps, because, and little shuffle run, because this material is so strong, you're not going to be able to make long strides at all. This is take me to dinner type of dress, so I don't have to worry about all that walking. But this dress, oh God, y'all know when I love something, I dance. When it's like food. When it's an outfit that I love, y'all know your girl dance. This is that happy dance. I love it. I cannot wait to wear this dress. Now I'm kind of a little bit concerned because the material is so thick. If it's extremely hot, like where I live in South Georgia, it gets way over 100, even at night. This is gonna be hard to pull off. So this is kind of like right now, before, because we still kind of have cool nights. So this is a right now. But if you live somewhere that's really hot, you might burn up. And this for my thick girls. This for us. Y'all come here. This for us. And if we wear this dress in the summertime, we're gonna need a little Vaseline or a little something on them thighs, because they, y'all know, for my thick girls, for the thick thigh community, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Because this dress doesn't give us a lot of leg space, baby, we're gonna have to lather those thighs. But is it worth it? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This dress is a 20. I love it. Y'all run. Don't walk. Run. Get this dress. So I'm not dropping links, sorry you guys, but I did drop the names so you can put them in Fashion Nova search and look them up, because, you know, y'all know why. But anyway, with that said, that is all the pieces that I have. Like I said, this was going to be a really short video, and I am missing one piece from the collection. So if that piece ever does come back into, you know, their inventory, I will show it to you guys. I'll just make it into a little short. So y'all just make sure your notifications on, so y'all can see if I do get it. You can check it out and see how it gives. Alright, so with that said, that is going to be it for your girl. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It costs you nothing to support this channel. Especially if you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and join my So Jazzy squad. Alright guys, so y'all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.